Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be removing the side trim from my Renault Clio 200. The reason I'm going to do this is it just looks filthy underneath it. Well, the car's 2009, so it's probably got years and years of grime underneath it. But I've literally got no idea what I'm going to do. Hopefully it's a bit like smoke and mirrors and it'll just come off in my hands and I won't damage anything. Okay, that's the indicator out. Filthy, just as I expected. Definitely needs a bloody good clean. Right, let's have a look at the door bullet. Oh, blimey, mine's stuck. I wonder if it's been glued on in the past or it's just so dirty. That's a bit of a worry, isn't it? Hey, there it goes. Filthy. Definitely going to be a good little project this. Put that on the chair so I don't stamp on it and break it. Let's get something to get that off. Here's a top tip. I'd put glue on the Torx so the screw wouldn't drop into the door panel. Fucking hell, it's like defusing a bomb. Right, I've added a bit more super glue. I'm just going to let it go solid, and when I put it back together that'll just snap off easy enough, but at least I won't drop it. Ooh. Okay. Looks like I have to take this bit off. Just been using a bit of this to get rid of some of the green bits. It's coming up all right. As you can see, that's much improved. Okay, that was easy. Looking a lot better. Got the hang of these bullets now. You pull this way, and push back, he says. There we go. I'm sure you agree with me, that was a task worth doing. The whole task took me a couple of hours because I didn't have a clue what I was doing, but now you've seen the video, probably take about half an hour.